this is Olivia. Welcome to Nerd Chinese with Olivia. So nice to see you in lesson 3. In the lesson 2, we've learned some initials, and then we make these 3 initials together with the 2 finals we've learned, A and O. When doing the combination, we can find 3 key points. First one, the tone should be placed on the final. Number 2, not every initial can be paired with a final. Number 3 is one pinyin can correspond to multiple characters. Surely we have another 4 finals haven't practiced during the class. So did you complete and practice them after class? So let's have the check. First of all, let me read them to you and then we can make some brief explanations of it. Look at the blackboard. You can find bo and cannot be paired. So which match the key point number 1 or 2? Yes, number 2. Not every initial can be paired with final. And how about bo and e? Yes, you can get it. The first one is B. B. Next one, B. B. Next one, B. B. Last one, B. B. And how about bo and u? Yes, succeed in combining. Yeah. Boo, 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 boo. And we can get 1 point at the first sight. Yeah, that is about the tone. All the tones are placed on the finals, right? And the second thing is about the writing of E. Previously, we mentioned that when we placing the tone on E, we need to remove the dot, right? So when we're combining them, bo and E, the principle is still valid. And then we can make some explanation of it. B, that is push, force, or compel. Yeah. And another one, B, it is very easy. This one, B, 鼻子. And the next one, B, B. And these are 2 different characters, right? But they share the same pinyin. So that is match the number 3, right? Correspond to multiple characters, right? So B, the formal one is compare. In Japanese, kuraberu. Yeah. And another one is pen. Next one, B. B. That is this one. B. And how about boo, 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 boo? Boo. Yeah, it is not used so frequently. So a lot of Chinese have no idea about this character, don't know the pronunciation of it, but you get it. And what does it mean? That is escape. And the next one, boo, boo. What does this? It seems like the white mold on the surface of the soy sauce. Yeah, that is boo. And yeah, we find still 2 characters, right, with the same pinyin. The first one is boo, boo. That is mend, yeah. And about boo, another one that is just like the catch the fish, catch, boo. The last two, yeah, they are two different characters with the same pinyin. So the first one is very easy. That is no. So if there is a strange man wanting to know you and hey, what's your name? No, don't want to tell you. No, okay? And the next one is bu. That is clothes. Clothes. Yes. And how about bo and yu? Unfortunately, they are unable to become a pair. Bo cannot paired with and yu. Neither can po. So let's have a check. The first one, p, 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 poo, 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 poo. And let me explain it. The first one, P. That is a trip or no, drip. Yeah, drip. A blanket was covered on the body when doing massage. Yeah, that blanket is a trip. Trip. Yeah. And the next one is P. P. That is the skin. Yeah, that is the skin of human being. Yeah. And how about another one? P. It also pronounced as P, and it's also the component of our human being. Yeah, that is P. P. Right. And then P. P. Oh, it's hard to say or it's hard to translate into English because English perhaps it is rougher. But in China, some people think it's another kind of handsome or say the personal characteristics. P. Yeah. And the last two. Yeah. P. That is flitters. P. Flitters. And then another one that is adjoin. Close to each other, adjoin. And from this, we can find P and P can match the key point number 3, right? And how about poo, 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 poo? Let's have a check. The first one is poo. That is a verb, like throw oneself on something or on some place. Just imagine you are in the football match and you play as a goalkeeper. Perhaps you have to throw yourself on to save the ball, right? That is poo. And for the next one, that is poo. Poo. It's a fruit. 葡萄. Poo. And the next one, 普, 普. That is usual or ordinary or common. Yeah. And the other one is also pronounced as 普. It means a plainness or simple. And how about the last one? That is 瀑. It's like the waterfall. Yeah, waterfall, you know. 黄果树 waterfall. Have you ever heard it or gone to it? Have you ever? No? It's a very special experience to feel the atmosphere of this waterfall. It's the biggest one in China and Asia. So if you have the chance, perhaps you can have a try to see it. And how about the combination of m with e, i, u, ü? Let's have a check. For the first one, m, but no m or m. No response to characters. Okay? So there are only the first one and the fourth one. M and m. How about m and i? Yes, succeed in combining. Me, 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 me. How about m and u? Oh, the first one is missing, right? Yeah. So there are only three. Mu, 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 right? And as for mo and ü, unfortunately we can't find it. So let me explain it to you. For the first one, m, it's a modal particle. Yeah. And how about mo? And it's a place name in Japan. So in Japanese we can see Nihon no jime desu yo. And about me, meow, meow. Yeah, that is a meowing of the kitten, right? This the sound of the kitten, right? And about me, what is it? Me. Oh, the first one is confused. I need to think about it. I lose away, confused. And for the other one is mystery. And the next one, me. It's very interesting because this is a measurement unit. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. And it also the rice we eat, right? So it's very interesting. Also pronounced as me. And how about the last pair? Yeah, that the first one is me. It's a very sweetie thing. You can guess it's not candy. Yes, it's honey, right? Bee honey. Yeah, and the other one is sacred. That is me, sacred. And how about mu? Oh, that is appearance or say the facial look. Yeah. And then the next one is mu. That is female. But it always, not always, it often used in animal. Mu. But it's also the abbreviation or say the formal one for the mother. And the last one is would. Yeah, very easy, right? If there are still some problems in pronunciation, you can leave me some messages so that I can help you for further step. Okay? The content of this lesson is relatively simple because we just need to know one initial. Yeah, that is for. You can find the similar phonetics in English, that is for. So you can find the similarities in some English word, that is like forest or forward, right? So this is for. And how to pronounce it perfectly, just let your upper teeth touch the lower lip, and then you can form a narrow gap and make your airflow squeezed out from the narrow gap. It can create the sound through the friction. It's very clear. F. Yes, it's very easy to get the pronunciation of this initial. And as for writing, there is one important thing we need to pay attention to, because it is different from English letter F, right? So write like this, it's incorrect. And if it's capital F, neither incorrect, okay? Let's make full and the finals with nerd together. Okay, perfect. And we can see. First of all, let me read to you. Fa, 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 fa. Fo, fo. Fu, 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 fu. What is the meaning of them? Let's make a brief explanation. For the first one, fa, that is take place or happen, something happen. That is fa, fa sheng. And the next one, fa, that is just like imagine one situation. The boy broke his mother's lipsticks, and his mother said, you are not allowed to play the computer games for at least 3 days. So that's a kind of punishment. So yes, 罚 means punishment. 惩罚, 罚. Yeah? Share the same pinyin, right? So it matches the key points, right? So this one is also pronounced as 罚. What does this mean? This is a lack of. So if somebody lack of energy, that is 乏, tired, exhausted. And for the next one, 法, 法. It also can be used as a method, 法, and also can be called as a country's name, an European country's name. 法国, 法. So if you are French, or you come from France, or you live France, that means you live in or you born in 法国. And for the next one, we find the two same Chinese characters, right? It's so strange, we never made that, right? They have different pinyin but share the same characters. So that is key point number 4. That is polyphonic Chinese, polyphonic character. Polyphonic. In Chinese, 多音字, which means one Chinese character has more than one pinyin, even 2 or even 3 pinyin, or say even 3 syllables. And it has different meanings. This one, did you remember it? That is happen, right? And for this one, that is here. So different, right? Okay, so as for the next one, 佛. So for this one, only 佛, no 佛, 佛, right? Only this one, that is Buddha. Yeah, and we find the next one. There are a lot of characters which pronounced as fu, right? And for the first one, fu, just like 皮, Yeah, it's also the skin of the human being. 皮肤. So we can learn this one. 肤. And for the next one, also pronounced as 夫, and this is a husband. And for the next one, 浮. 浮, what does it mean? That means drifty on the liquid. 浮. And this one also called 符. Chinese people like these characters very much because it means fortune, wealth, health, and a lot of best wishes. 符. So in China, there is a very modern activity during the spring festivals that is collect the 符. 5 virtual card means 5 different types of good blessings. 福. And this one, 福. 福. It seems like touch. Yeah, touch. 抚. 抚摸. And for this one, yeah, share the same, right? 抚, that is X, right? And yeah, how about these two? They share the same pronunciation but different meanings. For this one, it's a formal naming of father. Yeah, this is 父, right? Previously we learned 爸. Did you remember it? And for this one, just like a match. One party winner and one party loser. So the loser is lose the game, right? Lose the match. So this one means lose. 负. It's accepted through the common practice. 4 and E cannot be paired. So there's no fi, right? So much for this lesson. It's very easy for you, right? And don't forget to do the homework after the class. So if you like my lesson, you can recommend it to your family members and friends. So much for this lesson. Bye. Exercise. Circle what you heard. Number 1. Me. Number 2. 把. Number 3. 补. Number 4. 扶. Number 5. 默. Number 6. 法. Number 7. 妈. Number 8. 婆.